guys, my name is Maisara. We are from MP50. We would like to talk about chemical equations, so let's check it out. Hi!
Hi!
Hello everyone, my name is Amina. In this video, we are going to learn about chemical equation. Chemical equation involved in many process and industry. For example, Haber process, contact process, and photosynthesis. But do you know what is chemical equation? Chemical equation is a type of relation that you will see every day in chemistry. There are some information that can be extracted from chemical equation, such as reactant and product, physical state, number of atom, number of mole, mass of reactant and product. Let's hear some words from our lecturer.
As an educator, I hope by creating this video, the student can strengthen their basic in chemistry. Other than that, the content of the video can be shared to all of you out there.
To make you understand more about chemical equation, we are going to use chemical equation in contact process as an example. But do you know what is contact process? Contact process is a process that produces sulfuric acid.
There are 4 steps of production of sulfuric acid.
The first step in contact process is the production of sulfur dioxide. It involved burning of sulfur in excess air. The reactants are solid sulfur and oxygen gas, and the product is sulfur dioxide gas. One sulfur atom reacts with 2 oxygen atoms, produce 1 sulfur dioxide particle, which consists of 1 sulfur atom and 2 oxygen atoms. Sulfur will react with oxygen and produces sulfur dioxide, which is in gaseous state. Second step is the conversion of sulfur dioxide to sulfur trioxide. Sulfur dioxide is reacted with oxygen from air to produce sulfur trioxide under the following condition: the presence of vanadium oxide as a catalyst to provide an alternative reaction pathway to the reaction product. The suitable optimum temperature is 450 Celsius, a pressure of 1 atmosphere. 1 sulfur dioxide molecule reacts with 1 oxygen molecule, produce 1 sulfur trioxide molecule. This equation is not balanced yet. In front of SO2 and SO3, 2 is going to be written in order to balance the equation. Why is there a reversible sign in the equation? A reversible reaction is a chemical reaction where the SO2 and O2 are formed SO3 that in turn react together to give the reactants back. Third step is the production of oleum. Oleum is a solution of various composition of sulfur trioxide in sulfuric acid, or sometimes, more specifically, to disulfuric acid. Sulfur trioxide produced is dissolved in concentrated sulfuric acid to produce oleum, a viscous liquid. Last step involved in contact process is the dilution of oleum in water. From the previous step, we have learned on how to balance the equation. At this step, the equation also have not balanced yet, so 2 will be written in front of H2SO4, and now the equation is balanced. 1 mole of oleum react with 1 mole of water, produces 2 mole of sulfuric acid. There are 4 steps that involved in contact process, and we have learned to create a chemical equation. To create a chemical equation, we must have the reactant and the product, know how to balance the equation and the physical state. For example, the reactant is 1 mole of oleum which is in liquid state and 1 mole of H2O which is in liquid state produces 2 mole of sulfuric acid which is in aqueous state. From this equation, we can extract number of mole of the reactants and the product if the mass or molarity and volume or number of particles is given. For example, given that mass of oleum is 100 gram, number of mole of oleum is 0.56 mole. If molarity of oleum is 0.5 mole and the volume is 500 milliliter, then number of mole of oleum is 0.25 mole. Other than that, for example, given that the number of particles of oleum is 1.5 times 10 power of 23, then the number of mole of oleum is 0.25 mole.
To summarize what we have learned, we are able to construct chemical equation, know the step involved in contact process, able to extract information from chemical equation.
That's all from us. Thank you for watching.